Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to do the dumbbell swing. This is excellent if you don't have a kettlebell or you just want to get something done with a dumbbell really quickly. We want our feet wider than hip distance and our toes pointing slightly out. We're going to grab one head of the dumbbell securely with both of our hands. We're going to initiate by bending at the knees, bending at the hips, just to get us into this stance where we can bring our dumbbell back through our hips, squeezing our glutes as we come forward, and that momentum will allow that dumbbell to swing just to eye level. So when we do these, we don't want to overextend our back. We just simply want to come up to stand, squeezing our glutes, keeping our heels, well, truthfully, our foot completely flat on the floor. So that's dumbbell swings. And if you want more upper body, actually total body exercises like this that are also going to get your heart rate up, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.